And so I'm kind of curious to see how well I do here. Oh my heavens. Alright, what do I got? I got... There's that. I missed. How good's your plan, guys? You can vault, but then you're trapped, right? You have balance? Oh, you don't have that thing. You do know you're running at the hook, right? And now you just brought me back to the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you done? Oh. Do you have decisive? I'll take it. I mean... I'm not the one who ran at the hook. I'm just the one who took advantage of the guy running at the hook. What do you want, guys? You gave me this kill. I have zero reason to do anything right now. Okay. Well, you want to throw all the pallets down, I'm just going to come around at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, here I go. And now I take you right over here. And that's one guy out of my game. I mean, you really, really, really didn't think about this. Just brute force this. Throw it. Thank you. Now you're trapped again. Oh, I suck. Lord. Hello. Oh, you got another gen done. Okay. You want to run away? I'll take it. This is how you shut a game down, guys. Nope. You want to run to save pallets? Okay. I'll stand by unsaved survivors. And what are you going to do? You're going to stand there and not do gens? That's cool, too. That's a plan. It's not a good plan, but it's a plan. over. Oh, nice. That worked out for you, huh? Okay. I want you to go this way. Can you throw that pallet, please? Nope. That was a bad mistake, guy. Do you have decisive? Do you have decisive? If you have decisive, it works. Nope. That was a bad plan. Or good read. There you go. Nothing? You remember how you wanted to run by nothing but safe gens? Oh no! You've given me no reason to go anywhere. I got a person on death hook. Oh boy. Oh boy. Where are you? Are those my pools? I haven't even had to use my pools yet. You can throw that pallet, thank you. You can throw that pallet too. Thank you. I got all the time in the world. Would you please run to my pallet, my pools? That would be great. Nice. Oh, you can teabag right there. And this is the end of the road for you guys. Alright. Now, what I don't think you considered... Nice try, guy. Alright, I'm all done with that. Thank you. Oh, you bored me. You left me no more entertainment. Thank you. They got me down to 1 gen. With no perks, no add-ons. Nice. You lied? You don't. You made a terrible decision. All those pallets you value. Hi. Oh, you got windows now, huh? Nice. Didn't buy it for a second. I still Alex. Okay, good. Got rid of that one. I see my guy. I see a guy. All right. Wow, you keep finding pallets. Where do you find all this? All right, hold on. Don't lose control of this game. There we go. We're back in control. Here we go. Remember, I played a little nice. Just a little bit. Yeah, you guys are done. What are you gonna do? You got nothing. I'm gonna throw that volley. There's that. Is that hope? Feels like hope. Love it, love it, love it. Strategery. I could have played even more ruthlessly and won by an even more dominant margin. But that's not how that was going to go for them. I'm almost positive she had hope too. All that effort. All that effort. I still got the win, folks. Oh, the game is such an unfair map. I can never play without perks. I play good survivors with good builds. Well, what do you think? What do you think? There, oh, the evil background player. Oh, the wrong person with background player. Oh, look at the cheater perks and the buckle ups and the boil overs and the for the peoples. Oh no, no perks, no add-ons, 4K, 3K, and that was with me playing a little bit nice, not a lot nice, but a little nice. I think I made my point for the night. Now I can swing on over here, play some Survivor, call it a day, and not like, oh, you're smurfing. Well, I mean, I can't smurf if I keep winning. That's like impossible. So, what I can do is collect this little reward of mine. What do I got here? Collect that little reward of mine. Spend these blood points, and enjoy a job well done. That's what I can do, and that is what I am going to do.